Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce for you VS series power supply from Corsair. This is a value product which features 650 watt, which is enough for dual graphic card systems. The box of power supply looks simple, but it's beautiful enough. There is a lot of information about efficiency, fan noise, and power output specifications. As you can see, it features single 12 volts rail which can handle 600 watts power, which is pretty good. Inside box we can see warranty guide, user manual, power cord, 4 screws, and the Corsair VS power supply. All Corsair power supplies features almost same external design, and it is one of main reasons why value models are very popular among gamers. All cables for this power supply are sleeved. The bad thing that it has only two 8-pin graphic cards connectors, and for SLI and Crossfire systems it requires more of them. It features 120 millimeters fan, which is pretty silent at low loads, but after 300 watt it becomes too audible. Inside we can see a platform made by one of the largest PSU makers. It's a channel belt technology, and it looks really simple, and its capacitors and they looks really cheap. Most of them are made by Capcom, a low-grade Chinese company, and it's not the best quality power supply, but it costs only 65 euros, which is good price performance ratio.